Yeah, we witnessed a robbery actually at the store. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, today we're going to be looking at the Kobalt and DeWalt and some clearance items. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing. And let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, basically, we'll show the clip at the end of the video where we saw the guy taking what they were taking, um, basically from the store. And to start here, we got some Cobalt, 21 piece titanium. That's a really nice set there for $29.98. So this is definitely a great value. I know sometimes they got them cheaper, but it's just the holiday season. But for now, these are pretty good price. $24.98. This is for a nice universal kit here. 22 piece. You got 3/8, half an inch, quarter of an inch. $49.98 for the 7-piece ratcheting wrenches. So you guys see there. And they are in clearance. The yellow tags are in clearance. Now you got this utility knife. Looks very familiar to the fastback. $11.98 and $8.98 for a regular utility knife. And they only have the fastback type. $39.98 for a Kobalt workstation. So it's not a bad deal. It's on clearance, was $49.98. So that's it right there. Not too bad. Then we got the Kobalt sawhorses, $39.98. And then we have another one for $34.98. Maybe a smaller one. So it just depends on what you're looking for. Then we got this 10-piece screwdriver set, $14.98. So you guys see there. So not too bad of a deal there. So you guys can compare them to the ones beside them, $21.98. You're pretty much getting the same thing in a different color. Then $14.98 for the 3-piece, and then $19.98 for the 2-piece. The ones on the right are automatic locking pliers, and the ones on the left are your more standard. You got a 6.5, 7-inch, and 10-inch standard locking pliers. Then $24.98 for this Apex by Crescent. They do have some interesting bits here. Seems like they are covered with plastic, maybe a plastic sleeve or something like that, so you can prevent, you know, stains in the material if you guys are doing like finished work. As you guys see there, you got some 1-inch bits there, some 2-inch bits. You got some Spider Auger bits for $14.98. This is a 3-piece. I do have these Auger bits. I've been using them several throughout the videos. I don't know if you guys seen my test videos, but I've been using those and they've been working fine. $14.98. This is an extension. It's a universal extension, and it's a right angle at the same time. So this is a really interesting invention, or something that they just combine together with the right angle. This is very convenient when you're doing cabinet work, like getting to those tight corners and those odd places. So it's a really nice feature to have. $39.98. Hopefully it'll go on sale and it'll just drop. $39.98. I think it's a little pricey, but you know what? For the professional, I think it's a good tool. Then you got this nut drivers there. Pretty simple. And then you got some bits here on clearance. There's a lot of bits. 286, 215. Got 116s, 564s, 332nds. So most of these small ones are, these are all titanium. So most of these small ones are the ones good, because you're doing pilot holes and stuff like that. I break these all the time because they're so small, and they're, they go dull all the time if you're going through metal. It's a good pilot hole to get your bigger hole in there. And then you got the 7/16 there. And then you got the 3/16 and 13/64. Then you got the Impact Ready 479 and 447. So that's the Impact Ready. And you got some more over here, some 2-inch bits, some torque, flex torque on clearance, and some more 1-inch flex torques, and some regular ones there. You gotta make this. That's my favorite sleeve there. Definitely recommended that magnetic sleeve. It's a lifesaver. Basically, it has a sleeve that slides up and enables you to hold the screw, you know, so you get a nice clean screw that goes in at the angle that you prefer. 1623 for that nice kit there. Then you got the Extremes, so $99. They are running a promotion where you buy one of these kits, you get a free 5 amp-hour battery, which is a smoking killer deal. Definitely check it out if you guys want to get into this platform, or if you guys are already in the DeWalt and you want to get something lighter. You're going to be having this tool up in the air, so you want something lighter. This is a great option for you guys to get into. You got impact drivers, you got drill drivers, you got, I believe you even have a hammer drill here. So be sure to check them out. They're running, like I said, buy one of those kits for $99 and you get a free 5 amp-hour battery. And I guess that they're now starting to be more available in the stores. We had trouble in the past month trying to get these in the stores, but now I guess they're becoming more available as we speak. So $249 for this rate, or actually not that one. That was $119. Then we got the $249 on the bottom there, the right. That is the charger radio and the pass-through plugs there. As you guys see, that's the Bosch for $199. I guess that one has the subwoofer and it sounds really good. I've heard a lot of good things about this one. Now we got these on clearance, $12.98, 24-piece tough bit set. So you guys see we got a 1-inch bits there on the top. We got some 2-inch bits on the bottom. So you guys see, really nice. I really like their bits, their cases. They're really nice. Then we got 162 for the 8-piece variable speed clip. So it's a nice little case there. $359 for the 8-piece. Same thing. This is a 2-inch. They just clip on the case. And yeah, these batteries, I wonder why they had these batteries like this, but yeah, now I know why, because a lot of people come in here and steal stuff. So it's a shame if we have to go through now these days. Pretty much you can't see the tools. All you see is pictures because everybody keeps taking them. So, and then they got this impact driver drill driver for $199. They made in the USA, 2 batteries and a charger. Then you got the 3-piece kit with the oscillating tool, impact driver, and drill driver for $249. And then you got some auger bits and some spade bits. Augers are $19.98 and some spades are $12.98. Like I said, I've been using those auger bits. Are really nice. You got some spade bits there, a 16-piece for $24.98. They look pretty nice. Not too bad. And I got some more clearance here, some more bits. They got some T25 2-inch bits, $8. The Torx. And then they got these 2-inch bits, and then $12.98 for this box. These are really nice boxes, cases with rubber corners. And you got the 2-inch on the bottom and the 1-inch on the top. Same thing with this, $16.98. And then you got these are the auger bits, 739 and 1136. So some nice auger bits. These are the nail strike 6 $6.49. Definitely check it out. There's some really nice bits here from Bosch. Got some more bits on clearance for $159, $193, $167. So a lot of smaller bits. So I guess they're pretty much running through a clean out. Anyways, this is the footage that we got from the guy stealing. So this guy basically ran out of the store and picked up the camera, started filming. So we did manage to get this on film for the store. And so yeah, any way we can help. But yeah, some guy just ran with this Craftsman set. He ran out the door and he was looking back, see if anybody was following him, and that's it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.